To perform a printhead cleaning on the SureColor V1070, we click on Menu, Maintenance, and Head Cleaning. Here we have 4 options. Cleaning recommended, which is the standard cleaning process for the printhead. Then we have a light cleaning, which just does a light cleaning of the nozzles and the printhead. Then we have a heavy cleaning, which is if we have many nozzles missing. And then we have the ink circulation cleaning for white, which circulates the white ink so we have perfect flow of the white ink. In this case, the standard cleaning, we are going to select Clean Recommended. And here we have 2 options. We can either have a cleaning for all colors, or we can select colors, which is the left button. Here we can select CMYK, so the colors, white, and varnish. I'm going to go back and just select all colors and press the Start button. This is going to take a few minutes, and we can see the remaining time on the display. Now that the printhead cleaning process is complete, the printer recommends to do a nozzle check to confirm that no nozzles are missing. For that, we click the Yes button. If you're not sure how to perform a nozzle check, please refer to the video on how to do a nozzle check on the SureColor V1070.